guys, got a little project today. Valve covers are leaking a little bit. These aren't OEM valve covers. Got some oil in there. It's getting up on top of the windshield. And I wanted to give you guys a little close-up of the car. Nice setup. I got a custom downpipe. Got custom tubular headers right there. This thing works. Crossover pipe going up turbo, wastegate. Pretty simple setup. Give you a little walk around of it. Got the factory Brembos, had them powder coated red. And it was on the dyno. She got a little warm. Melted the plastic on the muffler. Got the cooler work shifter. Only one racing seat right now. And then I will give you guys a little time lapse of hopefully getting this oil leak fixed. Probably just gonna put some new seals on it, see what happens. As you can see, that one and that one's filled with oil. That's crazy. I might have to put the stock valve covers on. I really don't want to because these ones are metal and powder coated, which makes it look a little bit nicer. Yeah, god dang, that sucks. But, let's see here. I got some brand new ones right up here. This thing will focus. Got some brand new OEM ones. So I might just be putting these on. Okay, this gimbal thing, it really sucks. It's all over the place. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna put you back. Alright, got one done. Doesn't look good as the purple, but oh well. At least it won't leak. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off for right now to do the other side, and then we can go for a ride along. Hopefully the weather gets a little better. It's kind of, looks like it's gonna rain. It's kind of a little wet out. Yeah, she's cloudy today. So I'll be right back. All right, I got the OEM valve covers on. Got the old ones right there. Really like the look of those. But at least it won't fucking leak oil anymore. Now it's time to take it for a rip, see what she does. Yeah, my turbo seals are shot. It's smoking pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to get it rebuilt. you guys want to see more content, probably gonna take it to the drag strip one of these days, hopefully hitting 10. So if you want to see some more, just subscribe. Thanks, bye.